Good morning, guys. It's 8 o'clock. Just dropped the kids off at school. Got a job today. It's a bathroom cabinets, vanity, stuff like that. Gotta paint it. I'll get some shots of what I can. The homeowner's home. But let's get to the job site. Here in this room, we're painting these 3 cabinets right there. This whole set right here with the mirrors, and you can see it. Then all this right here, and even below the tub. And then we got this little cabinet here over top the toilet. This is one of the most important steps when you're doing cabinets, repainting them that is making sure you have a clean surface. And I like to clean mine before sanding, that way any kind of gunk and grime don't gum up my sandpaper. got day 2 here. My phone died yet during the job yesterday, and I just called it a day on recording. But here we go, day 2. I got a little bit more sanding to do, and then I'll start priming. So let's get to it. Alright, right here we're picking back up sanding. I got cut off on the first day because my phone died, like I said, but very important to clean and sand. That way you get proper adhesion on the paint. Alright, I called it a day. I got a lot of stuff primed, ready to set out for the weekend, so I'll pick back up on Monday. I don't know if I'm going to make this just one full video or see if I got enough to make a video that make a part two. So either way, I'll see you on the next one.